cooking, Clementine? Is Thunder gonna be cooking?
I'll be cooking for Thunder.
Okay, good. Thunder will cook. Gangnam Korean barbecue. Is this your first time here today, Babu?
Yeah.
It's your first time? Clementine, your first time? You're too tiny to cook?
You got water, Thunder?
Yeah, I already poured some water there. The water tastes like really fresh. It's a.
Can I taste the water?
I like it. Maybe.
Because I know they have a very nice water in the Korean airline.
Yes, Jeju.
Jeju water.
Jeju water is yummy. Come down, yummy.
Tastes good.
Refreshing. Babu, we're gonna cook together, Babu. Mommy and Thunder cooking. So our yummy sides have arrived. Do you know the names, baby? Or I know one of them is kimchi. I think that one is kimchi.
Fish cake.
Fish cake. Ooh.
What do you call this? The baby beans or something?
Bean sprouts.
Bean sprouts. That's broccoli.
Broccoli. We have noodles.
It's coming soon.
Very soon.
Wanna try it sometime?
Yummy. I like it. Let me try that one. I like the broccoli too. It's good. Try the broccoli one. I just had it. Oh yeah, go ahead, Babu.
Try it.
Go Thunder. It's like a fish thing. He's using the chopsticks.
You got it, Thunder.
Or use your spoon. Oh, good job. Go Thunder, go.
I like it.
Daddy likes. I like it too. He's gonna be eating popcorn shrimp.
Try it, Thunder.
Go first. We're the first one to try it and give us. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Make sure it's not sizzling. Oh, let me get the sauce sooner.
You had?
Oh, it's okay. Put it in plate. Go. Oh, baby, I can see the smoke. Come and go. It's your favorite though. Okay, let's go try it. Let me try. This is the sauce. Yeah.
Is it good?
Delicious.
Is it ketchup?
He's very American.
I like the popcorn chicken, the one in California.
Oh, yeah. Is it the Japanese restaurant? Yeah. Oh, should remember the name. Very good. Thunder, what? Come in there. You don't want to try it? It's a chicken, no?
I like it.
Thunder loves it? Good. Thunder got a big piece. There's a water there, Thunder.
Oh,
Oh!
the bulgogi.
This is bulgogi, right?
So we had a
Okay, Thunder will be the first one to try the bibimbap.
I'm ready to try the bibimbap.
Bulgogi bibimbap.
Okay.
Show me your hungry face, Thunder. Show me your hungry face.
Wait.
Okay. It's not spicy, so make sure to blow, Thunder. It looks like I can see the steam. Give it a little bit.
we had. And they're almost finished it.
It's good, actually. It tastes very American. So mommy's turn to get some bibimbap. There's like a seafood. Is that a mushroom? What's in there? You wanna try this, baby? It tastes good, actually. I'm impressed. Give me your take. It does taste like kimchi.
Smells like bread.
Yeah, because of the kimchi taste.
Oh, this is the kimchi fried rice.
Yeah, is it? It looks
Or
like
the
a.
bulgogi, yeah.
It's a fried rice, baby. Yeah, go ahead. It's a fried rice. There's no bulgogi in here.
Mama, I want to slow down.
Yummy, baby. Pork belly, guys. I can hear the sizzle, right, Thunder? Can you hear it? Popsy just placed the yummy pork and that big mushroom. Go, Thunder. Thunder got the big tongue. Wow, Thunder, you're cooking. Thunder's a cooking. Thunder's a cooking.
What's this?
A mushroom.
Good.
Mushroom?
That's a very long mushroom. Thunder, you wanna cook too? No,
I know how to
you
cook.
have to try. Okay. Okay, no.
Waiting for the noodle.
This is a fried rice or a bulgogi?
That's a bulgogi. And he said that after you're done cooking, he's gonna make the rice.
What Daddy added the onion and what's that vegetable, baby?
That's
Cucumber.
zucchini.
Zucchini, cucumber. Yeah, they're like in the same family. Good job, Babu.
Now you want me to cook?
Clementine is waiting for the glass noodles. The guy's coming. Thunders are cooking. Thunders are
Getting your
cooking.
noodles.
Flip it. Go. Careful, okay? Slow. Low. Good. Thunder knows how to flip it.
I'm gonna get sick.
Thunder's a Michelin chef.
Now you want me to eat this?
Calm down. You're up next.
No.
Okay. I got stuck.
Daddy?
Thunder wants to go next, baby.
Daddy, my turn.
Clementine is just watching. Baby mama.
Daddy,
Thunder cannot wait. Clementine, you finally got your glass noodles. Oh, she's trying to do chopsticks. You got it, Clementine. It's so slippery, that's why.
Let's use the
Use your fork, Clementine.
You can eat properly.
It's very hot. It's too hot. Is it good, Clementine? Yeah, you like it? Good. Yummy?
You like it, Clementine?
Good. The pork is almost done, too. Thunder, you want to be the first to try the pork? Yeah?
But yeah,
It's
I
done!
think because this is pork.
This pork needs to be
usually,
fried.
like, yields so much oil. You try the sauce.
I had it just really just pure, but it's good even without a sauce. Thunder and I had it bland. Delicious?
Very good.
Very good. Yeah, I actually like it. So we're just waiting for the guy to make us the fried rice with the pork fat. We'll see that soon. We're just waiting on the dude. Clementine, you're still eating your glass noodles, Clementine? Good. Yay! So they gave us our second order of fresh pork and veggies. Not yet. He's not full yet. Clementine, more meat came through. You want to eat that one? No one. Are you okay there, baby mama? Oh, look at the face. Miss Moody.
Is that the 𝐇𝐎𝐿?
Yes.
I've been thinking about getting one of those.
Oh, they're very, very convenient.
You guys usually kind of vlog your lifestyle.
We usually do, yeah. What, Thunder? Look at that deliciousness. Clementine, you want some?
More tender?
Thunder loves the pork. You want more or are you good? You want more?
Did you eat the zucchini?
I haven't eaten the zucchini, no.
Hard.
Is it?
Hard.
Can I have the
Oh, Thunder wants the meat, baby. Okay, let me give him. 𝐵𝐔𝐘𝐒, do you want me to cut it or you want to get the whole thing? Good thing we have more. Good thing we have more. This is a fun place.
Mama, I'll put it.
Yes, you're gonna be the one flipping it, okay? Oh, it's stuck.
Mom, okay, now 1, 2, 3, my turn.
Wait, Thunder, I'm gonna put it in and then you're gonna toss it, okay?
cook it.
Yeah, you're gonna be the one turning it around. Okay, there it is.
My turn.
Here is Babu. Oh, Thunder is ready. Ubi popsicle. Thunder will be first taste. I want to see your reaction to the yumminess. Clementine already got it. Yummy? Yeah. Okay, tell me.
That's so good.
So good. Clementine. So good.